Okay, my name is Rizky Nugraha, and in this time I will show you my project about Webster Cashier database, and this is about the table, all of table in database. There are 5 main table and 2 additional table. The 5 main table is customer, employees, items, transactions, and trans details. And how about the structure of the table? Okay, this is the structure of table employees. There are employee ID, integer 11, and primary key, nick number varchar 50, name varchar 50, and the index is nama karyawan, position varchar 50, and the index is posisi employee. The fifth is status varchar 30, and the index is status employee. Okay, we go to next table is items. There are 3: item ID, primary key, varchar 50, item name varchar 50, and the index of item name is nama barang. Third is price, integer 50, and then the third table is customer. Okay, customer ID is primary key, integer 11, cust name varchar 50, and the index is nama customer. Third is nickcast, integer 50. Okay, the fourth table is transaction. First is trans ID, primary key, integer 11, and auto increment. And the second is employee ID, integer 11, and this is the foreign key from the table employees. And the third is date trans. The index is date transaction, and the type is date. Fourth is cash ID, integer 11, and the foreign key from the table customer. And the fifth is item ID, varchar 50, the foreign key from the table of items. Okay, the last main table is table trans detail. First is detail ID, primary key, varchar 50, and second is trans ID, foreign key from the transaction, integer 11. Third is name, or the name customer, and name of employee. Fourth is date trans, the index is date transaction detail, the type is date. Fifth is cash name, varchar 50, and 6 is item name varchar 50, 7 is quantity item varchar 50, and the last is total cost integer 75. Okay, now I will show you about the query of insert in table items. First is insert into table names, and the values, for example, because varchar, I will, for the example, quit, and the price, for the example, okay, and we click the kirim, and successful, and we want to see. Okay, the query is successful, execute. And then how about the update the items? Okay, for example, this is the items, insert and update items, set price, for the example, sample 200, and where item ID, V05, and we delete this. We click send, and then successful, and we want to see if updated. Yeah, we update the price. And then how about the delete? This is delete, and then delete from table names where item ID V05. Then we click send. Okay, I'm sure about it. Then we click the table and successful deleted. Okay, how about on the customer? We want to insert input the cashier from the cashier, insert into customer values because onto increment we set null, and the customer is customer name and the customer name for the example 1, and then customer example. Then we click send. If we want to see if successful, yeah, it's successful. Customer ID is 3, customer is 1 with double N, and this is the new customer. Okay, now I will show you about the insert into transactions values. Yes, the transaction ID is null because auto increment, and then the employee ID is 1, the date runs is 211.23, the customer ID is 3, item ID is V03 example. Then we click send, and if successful they will display on this. The transaction ID is 9, the employee ID is 1, date is this, and the customer ID this, like this, and the item ID. And now I will show you about the trans detail. Okay, this is this. We go to the SQL. Okay, now I will show you about the insert into trans detail values. The first is D03 is detail ID, the trans ID is foreign key is 9, and the name of employee Rizky, and this is the date of transaction, and this is the customer name. Oh, I forgot the quantity item. The quantity item is 1, and the total cost is 500,000. Okay, we try, and if successful, okay, this is successful. The detail ID is D03, trans ID is 9, name is Rizky, the transaction and the customer name, and this is the item name, quantity item, and the total cost. Okay, now I will show you about the store procedure in table employee. For the example, I will show about the call like this. Okay, and the the table of employee will display in this screen. like this. Then how about the tambah employee? First is call tambah emp, and for the example, the nick of the employee and the name of employee, and the position of employee, and then the status. For the example, active. Okay, like this. And we execute the query, and successful, and we want to see employees. Yeah, successful. The employee ID is 4, the nick number is 240803, the name is Anugrah, position cashier, and the status active. And how about the update? Update is edit emp, and then we add the employee ID. The example is 4, and then the nick employee name like this, and we want to change the status. For the example, fired, and then we execute the query, and then is that successful? Example, we see, and successful, the status was changed. Then how about the delete? Okay, the delete for the example is call hapus emp, and the ID is 4. When we execute the query, and we see the employee ID, which is the employee ID is 4, is deleted. Okay, now I will show you about the view of transaction, that is the inner join from the transaction detail, and inner join to the transaction. Okay, this is the query. They select all from transaction, then we execute the query. Okay, like this. This is the trans ID from the transaction detail transaction, and this is the detail ID, employee ID, name, the customer ID, customer name, item ID, item name, and the total cost. It's complete from the transactions and the trans detail. Okay, now I will show you about the trigger, how it works, and implementation on the items audit. The first, I want to use the stored procedure for the edit bar. For the example, I want to change the price like this from like this, and I will change like this. Okay, we execute the query. Okay, the query is successful, and then we see in the items, we refresh, then the price is updated. And how about the items audit? Okay, let me check, and we refresh the page. Okay, there is an ID is auto increment, which item ID is updated, and the item name, and the price is updated, the history which is was updated. Okay, that's enough from my database, and See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.